Today's workout that I've got for you is your 7 minute to a stronger core. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be working your abs, your core and your waist. And you're going to love this. What we're going to do, you and I, you're going to do all the moves with me standing. Just take 7 minutes. The first moves includes a little bit of a warm up and mobility. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here's a preview of the first move. So just come into position and we're going to just do these arm sways and then we're taking it to a knee drive and we're doing 4 of each. So if you just get ready, come into position, feet hip width distance apart, tummy tight. Now just draw the arms across, go to the other side, around, one more. Now take the knee up for me and we're just doing 4 of these. That's good. And then just bring that back to swing those arms from one side to the other. So this is just going to really help to warm up through your core, through those ab muscles. And on the left, that timer bar represents approximately 45 seconds. So we've got 7 moves in total today. And this one here is a little bit of a warm up, just warming up through those muscles. Good. And so we're just really working through the internal and external obliques, so we're also really engaging those waist muscles as well. So just let those arms, just shake them out and just get your breath back, and we're just going to have a look at the next move. So now we're going to up the intensity. This is incredible for your abs. So what I want you to do, imagine you're pulling something off from a wall, pulling something down, and just a little rotation with the arms. So by doing this arm move just means now we're having to really activate your deep core muscles. So even though this is a full body move, I'm really working deep into those core and ab muscles. So just keeping that going, that's good. And you step that foot behind. So this one here is incredible for your abs and your waist. Let's just keep that going. So we've got 7 moves in total. The best move is a brand new one you are going to absolutely love. So stick with me on these 7 minutes for that final move. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. And again, just really feel that working through those tummy muscles. And well done. Just shake out the arms, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So the next move here, this one is less cardio, but really focuses on those core muscles. So knees bent, tummy tight. Now just imagine you are stirring a big bowl of soup. I mean, it would be really big. Just go from one side to the other. Keep the hips still. So what we're doing, we're using those abdominal muscles, your oblique muscles. That's what shapes through the waist. We're using them to really strengthen and work on that full rotation. So we're really working on your mobility as well. Knees stay soft. We've got lots of action with the princesses. They're in and out today, and just keep that going. So again, check your knees are bent, hips stay still, and think of it like this. It's your abdominal muscles, your waist muscles that is helping to create that big move. So you go from one side to the other. All right, well done. And again, just shake out those arms and we'll have a look at the next move. So this one we're going to do super slow. If you struggle with balance, you can have one hand on a wall or use a chair. Take one foot behind. And now what I want you to do is draw that knee up for me and now hold for a second, then take it back. Hold. That's good. And so what you're doing here, your abdominals are really working a bit like a brake. They're holding and bracing you in position, keeping that nice and slow. So pull in those tummy muscles when the arrow comes up, pull them in really tight. That's good. Keeping that focus. Now change legs for me. Take that opposite leg behind and draw that up. So this one we're doing slow again, really incredible. You will feel your core getting stronger every time you're doing this. And just really focus on where you're working. Keeping that going. And well done. All right, that's good. Just release. And you can see here, I'm not wearing gym kit. You don't need to be in trainers. You could do this in your pajamas. All right, so next move, start in a wide stance. You're going to take one arm up and now draw that elbow towards that opposite knee. Again, keep it slow. So what we're doing here, again, we're really using your abdominals to help with stability here. But because we're doing a little bit of a diagonal move, we're working through the waist. Keeping that going. So it doesn't have to be fast. Keep it slow. That's good. And I really want you to be feeling it. Think about what you and I are doing right now. we're making those stomach muscles stronger. Let's take that to the other leg. And when we've got a stronger core, we have a stronger body. So the stronger your core, it helps with your spinal alignment, it helps prevent injuries, it helps prevent us falling. It's so important we all have a strong core. That's good. Keeping that going all the way. Well done. And I said to you, we've got the best, most fun new ab exercise for the last one. So this one, we're going to do 4 of these twists, then go 4 of these side reaches, and then come back to 4 of these twists. So elbows sort of together, and you're twisting for 4. Now reach it across. 3, let's go 2 and 1. Take your arms back up, and it's a bit like a corkscrew rotation we're doing there, and then take that 4. That's good. Keeping that nice and controlled. So this workout, you could do this every single day. It's a really lovely way to just strengthen through your core. It's a safe exercise because what we're doing, we're using the best weight of all, body weight. That's good. And also reaching from one side to the other, so you'll feel your core getting stronger. Give me those rotations. And second time you come back to do this, remember you don't have to have me coaching you. And reach up from one side to the other. Hit that mute button and play your favorite music. So you're ready for the best exercise. This one, we're going to have some fun. We're going to reach up to either corner, then out to the side, and then down. But you've got to go really fast and hard because we've got to punch these things out of the sky. So go for reaching up, across, over, out to the side, and then down. And what I'm doing here, I'm really now targeting every angle through your abdominal muscles. We've got lots of different areas that we want to be targeting. So we want to target your transverse, your obliques, the rectus abdominis. And so by doing this move, that's what we're doing. And reach out as far as you can. It's really important to work your fullest range of motion. That's good. Keeping that going. So it's reach far across, down and up, over, nice and high. Last little bit. And this will also get your heart rate up. So it's a really lovely move to finish on. Keeping that going. Doing really well. That's good. Reach up, across. That's good. Last little bit. Let's just keep going. We've got to tap every single one of those. And last couple, and well done. Last one. All right, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. That is your 7-minute workout complete. Do let me know in the comments down below if you liked move 7. So well done. That is your 7-minute workout now complete. There is a big high five. And remember, what you and I have just done is not only have we made your core stronger, but we've also invested in your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.